Imagine your beer reaching customers near and far, effortlessly ordered online and delivered to their doorsteps. Digital sales can make that happen, expanding your reach and boosting your revenue. But now, imagine missing out. Seeing other breweries build online connections with fans across the country and watching them grow while your sales are stuck at the local level. With rising costs and fierce competition, staying local only is a risk that could hurt your business. Hey, I'm Trip. I work with brew pubs and breweries to craft strategies that boost sales and make business a little easier. I've owned businesses, even ran a marketing agency. I know the frustration of hitting roadblocks firsthand, and I've helped others overcome them. And now I'm here to help brewers like you do the same. This video covers all the steps to bring your brewery online and start selling direct to consumer. We'll walk through market research, choosing an e-com platform, legal needs, customer engagement, and data analytics. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to get your beer and your brand into more hands than ever before. I know we're going to be covering a lot here, so if you want to get all the details in one place, just comment send down in the comments below, and I'll make sure you get a PDF of everything I'm going to be covering today. But let's do this now. Let's dive in. First up is research. Before you jump into online sales, you need to know where your beer and your brand fit in the digital market. Rising costs, a shrinking demand, and intense competition all make it crucial for you to find your edge. You want to identify your target audience. Start with a detailed look. Think beyond basic demographics. What values, interests, and purchasing behaviors do they have? Knowing this can help you build a loyalty with customers who care about your brewery and want to support it with merchandise purchases. An example, look at Bell's Brewery. They focus on what their fans love most, seasonal and limited releases. By zeroing in on what makes them unique, Bell's created releases and branded merchandise that fans eagerly order online. Use free tools like Google Trends or competitor sites to understand pricing, reviews, and popular product types. Ask yourself, what makes your brewery stand out? Which products or aspects of your brewery excite your customers the most? Set clear, measurable goals for your online sales. Start with short-term goals like, 50 sales in 3 months, and move towards long-term ones, like building a subscription club in a year. This way, you're tracking progress and building momentum. Regulations vary state by state, so research compliance carefully. Tools like Ship Compliant can handle complex legal requirements by tracking where and how you're allowed to ship. Once you've got your target audience and goals, it's time to bring your brewery online. With your research done, the next step is setting up a solid digital storefront. You don't need a flashy platform, you need one that works best for you. Direct-to-consumer platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce are popular because they're customizable and very user-friendly. Shopify is ideal if you need an all-in-one package. Shopify integrates inventory management, customer views, and age verification easily. WooCommerce is perfect if you're already using a WordPress for your website and want something flexible. WooCommerce also supports plugins for POS integration, companies like Square, and offers a range of payment gateways. An example of a brewery doing this is Rheingeist Brewery, which uses Shopify for seamless order management. They've built an easy, user-friendly shopping experience that also integrates age verification, keeping them compliant and hassle-free. Here's a practical tip. Prioritize a platform that supports age verification tools like Age Checked or Veritad. It's essential for legal compliance and helps build customer trust. A great website isn't just about looks. Make sure navigation's clear because you need to optimize the user's experience. Product descriptions need to be easily found, and checkout has to be simple. Try bestsellers category or suggested products to guide new visitors who come onto your site. Sell merchandise along with beer. Your fans want more than just beer. They want your brand. Selling hats, shirt, and glassware gives customers a tangible way to support and represent your brewery. An example, Modern Times Beer created a merchandise line that featured unique designs on shirts, hats, and glassware, appealing to fans of their brewery. Merchandise sales became a significant revenue stream, and fans became walking billboard for their brands. Think about this when you're creating can and or bottle art. Something that would look great on a shirt is something that can help you expand your revenue. A practical tip, start with popular high demand items like hats, t shirts, and branded glassware. Choose quality materials that reflect your brand's character and make sure your product images look professional. Ask yourself, are you prepared to engage with customer feedback on your site? Responding to reviews builds trust and can guide future product updates. With your store set up, let's make sure your orders reach your customers without a hitch. Getting your product from brewery to customer is where many breweries struggle, but with the right tools, it doesn't need to be difficult. Use Shopify or WooCommerce's inventory management features to track stock and avoid overselling. Managing stock efficiently ensures customers get what they ordered. An example, Stone Brewing uses a smart system to track high demand seasonal releases, preventing stockouts and keeping customers happy. If your platform doesn't have built-in inventory management, there are plugins and third-party apps that can integrate this seamlessly. Choose reliable packaging and shipping. Craft brews and merchandise require durable packaging to handle transit. Look for packaging providers like Uline or consider eco-friendly options that are going to resonate with the craft beer community. Real world example, Stone Brewing uses double walled boxes with dividers, ensuring bottles arrive safely and customers keep coming back for more. For merchandise, they use branded boxes that add to the unboxing experience, which is really popular. An additional tip, if you want to go green, mention that eco friendly packaging options are available to help appeal to sustainability conscious customers. For customers nearby, services like DoorDash or Uber Eats can offer quick, same day delivery for both beer and merchandise. This appeals to customers who want to support local breweries while enjoying that convenience. Not every state allows direct to consumer shipping. If you're targeting out of state customers, consider working with a third party shippers like Vino Shipper, which navigates compliance for restricted states. Retain customers by creating clubs or subscription models for exclusive releases. For example, a monthly Brewer's Choice box combined with limited edition merchandise can build loyalty and encourage repeat customers. Are your logistics prepared for an increase in demand? Starting with local pickup or click and collect options can ease you into the fulfillment while giving customers added flexibility. Now that you're set up to deliver, let's talk about getting your message out there. With your store and fulfillment in place, it's time to spread the word and keep customers engaged. Start building an email list to stay connected with customers. Send updates on new releases, events, and exclusive deals. Some tools to make this happen include MailChimp and Klaviyo. They can integrate with Shopify and WooCommerce, so everything's automated and seamless. Here's a practical tip. Offer a discount or free shipping on the first order to encourage signups. Display customer reviews prominently. Positive feedback drives new sales, and responding to feedback builds credibility. Great Notion Brewing actively responds to reviews, both positive and negative. This creates a sense of community and trust with their customers, something you need to be doing as well if you're not doing it now. Show off your merchandise on Instagram and Facebook. Use customers' photos wearing your gear as social proof to encourage others to buy. I've got a whole video about that. A link will be down in the description. It's a powerful way to market your business, and it costs you absolutely nothing. An example of a brewery doing this, Deschutes Brewery frequently posts photos of customers in their branded shirts or using their custom glassware. This not only builds a sense of community, but also promotes their merchandise to a wider audience. If your budget allows, Targeted ads on Facebook and Instagram can help reach beer lovers in your area or people interested in specific styles. These platforms allow ads with direct links to your products for easy access. Are you taking advantage of each platform's unique features to engage your customer? Posting regularly keeps your brewery top of mind. With your marketing in place, you're ready to grow your online sales. Once you're up and running, tracking your progress and refining your approach helps you improve. Use Google Analytics to monitor website traffic, bounce rates, and conversion rates. This helps you understand where customers drop off and what needs to be improved. Set up goals in Google Analytics to track successful purchases and identify areas for growth. If you're not familiar with setting up Google Analytics, look at something like Fiverr. For 20, 30, 40 bucks, you could have someone set up everything you need. Consider using A/B testing. Experiment with different versions of product descriptions, photos, or page layouts to see what drives the most traffic. Sites like Shopify and WooCommerce should allow you to A/B test, and what that really means is you have two separate websites or two separate descriptions of a product, and they alternate A/B, showing one and then the next to different visitors as they come through. Gives you an idea to test which method works best. As it relates to customer feedback, send follow-up surveys to gather insights on customer satisfaction and preferences. Use this data to tweak product offerings or services. Are you regularly analyzing feedback and adjusting your strategy? Listening to customers and tracking metrics will keep your business moving forward. Thank you for watching. If you're serious about growing your e-commerce game, follow me for some more insights and join my free newsletter. Links are in the description. Together, let's navigate this changing market and make sure your brewery is ready for tomorrow. Cheers. Here's your success. I'll see you in my next video.